Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So if you are reading something and you are tired of clicking on the screen once the screen is out, it's worth using. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and pick display, so the icon with green sun over here, scroll down one more time, and here you'll notice screen timeout, so just click on it. And now you can select one from the following options, so it can be out after 15 or 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So let me pick the middle option, so for example 2 minutes. And that's it, you can change it whenever you want to and when only you need to. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs out.